G'day folks, so if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're curious about these little parts here. Maybe you've been watching some unboxings, or you've just got your Mavic Air and you have these little pieces in the package, or you've seen them in videos and you're wondering what the heck are they for. These are just little USB cables. This one is a micro USB and this one is a micro USB to USB-C. And there's actually one already installed on the remote. So what these cables do, they connect the remote to your smartphone. And as you can see here, this is the Lightning version, and this comes pre-installed with the remote. When you buy the package, the Lightning version is already installed, and you can see the other end right there. So they include different cables for different phones. So if you have a USB-C style connector, they have one there, or if you have micro USB. Now, as for these little plastic pieces, that's the most common question that I've been asked. I've been asked on my blog and on my social media what those little plastic pieces are for. As you can see, hopefully I can get close enough here, it's installed in this little slider, and that allows the cable to move back and forth and up and down, as you can see there. So the brackets on the remote for the Mavic Air are a little bigger than they have been on some of the older remotes, like for the Spark or the Mavic Pro. And the reason they've done that is that you can now mount your smartphone when it's in a case. So that allows the lightning port to slide up and down a bit, depending whether you have a case in it or not. And back and forth as well, depending on how thick your case is. And as you can see, they just clamp on to the end there. And that way when you mount it into the remote, it can slide up and down and adjust depending on the size of your case. And because the sizing of these cables are a little bit different, the heads are a little bit different, they give you a couple different sizes in there. And changing them up is very easy. You can just press that through like that. You unplug it. So I've just removed the lightning end. And say we're going to hook it up to the Samsung. We take the one with the USB-C end. We plug the micro USB into that end. And then we'll take the one for the USB-C. It's a different size. It just plugs in like so. And then we just mount the head in there, just like that. And then now we have a connector for the Samsung phone, the USB-C. Well folks, that's basically it. If you're wondering what these little brackets were for and the extra cabling, now you know, just to make it adaptable to different phones. Well folks, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.